Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, one Muslim athlete, how he has won millions of hearts. Qatar's Mutaz Barshim. So today I am going to speak about him. The scene is the final of men's high jump at the Tokyo Olympics. Italy's Gianmarco Tamberi was facing Qatar's Mutaz Barshim in the final. Both of them jumped 2.37 meters and were on par. Olympic officials gave 3 more attempts to each of them, but they were unable to reach more than 2.37 meters. One more attempt was given to both of them, but Tamberi withdrew from the last attempt due to a serious leg injury. The moment when there was no other opponent in front of Barshim, the moment when he could have easily approached the gold alone, but Barshim asked the officials if the gold can be shared between the two of us if I withdraw from the final attempt. The officials check and confirms and says, yes, then the gold will be shared between the two of you. Barshim then had nothing to think about, announces withdrawal from the last attempt. Saying this, the Italian opponent Tamberi ran and hugged Barshim and screamed. What we saw there was a great share of love in sport that touches our hearts. It reveals the indescribable sportsmanship that makes religions, colors and borders irrelevant. This is very good example of morality of Barshim, and I think that will open the doors of Dawah and Islam for whole globe, for humanity, and humanity will attached with Mutaz Barshim's story, and they will, inshallah, they should be study about Islam, about Mutaz Barshim's religion and about Qatar. Inshallah, we hope by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this example will be responsible to accept Islam thousands and thousands of human beings. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.